Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to briefly demonstrate the new improvement for package management that have been added to the VC Build in the recent release. I would like to remind you that VC Build is a build automation tool developed by Virto team for automation and routine operations with building and packaging Virto components. Starting from the 1.7 version, it has been extended with the new targets that allow you to install, update, or uninstall Virto platform and modules that now can be done in the design time with using command line interface. I'm going to walk through all the key features that have been added to the VC Build for that purposes. One more thing, before going into the package management in action, you have to check that VC Build with version 1.7 or higher is installed on your computer. You can install the latest VC Build version by the execution.net tool install and specify Virto Commerce Global Tool as the name of Global Tool package. Or otherwise, if you already have installed VC Build on your local machine, you can check and update to the latest version by execution.net tool update. Actually, for me, I already have the latest of VC Build version installed, and I'm basically ready for action and can jump to using package management targets. Actually, I'm currently in an empty directory that has no files. Now, let's use VC Build to install the platform without modules. Let's do VC Build install platform. This command will download and install the latest platform version in the current folder. Now we need to wait a little bit until the command is finished. Here it looks it is over, and if you show the content of this folder again, we see that it already contains the platform files, and there is no folder with modules. What is expected. But you also can execute VC Build install with no parameters to install the latest platform version along with the default module set. Now, let's use VC Build to install a module. Let's say we want to install store module with a specific version. We can do VC Build install module Virto Commerce store and specify what exactly version we want to install. By this way, we go out and get the store module installed itself. We also install any dependencies that this package has. The store module has dependencies to the notification and core module, and they are installed along with the store module as well. We can make sure by open folder, modules folder, and see that dependent modules along with the store module present here. Now let's say we want to update installed modules to the latest version. We do a VC Build update with no parameters, and this command, starting this command, try to update the already installed Virto Commerce store module to the latest version from 3.10 to the 3.17. Hence, with one command execution can update all Virto dependencies to the latest version. Another big beauty of using VC Build for package management is that it creates a file VC package JSON that contains all information about installed in the system modules and their version. And you easily can share this file along with your team members and to make sure that everyone will work with the same component version. That's it from my side, and I hope this video we covered the basics and definitely enough to get started with the new VC Build command line interface for package management tasks. You can also find links to the documentation below this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you go back and check out more videos. Bye!